Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can change your phone number in HungerStation. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your HungerStation app, and once you tap it open, all you need to do now is simply get logged in or signed up into your account. After you have done this, all you need to do is simply tap on the continue button once you enter your mobile phone number. After you are done with this, you will end up in the home page, but you need to now go in your profile. Once you're in your profile, by tapping on the more option, you can simply go to your account information, look for the section where you can manage your account details, then select the option to change your registered mobile phone number. All you need to do is simply tap on the existing number and input your new phone number and save the changes. Once you are done, you are successful to change your mobile phone number in HungerStation. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.